okay?
$20 tip, sweet. Oh sh! Holy sh! I caught that on camera.
He crunched her big time.
Holy!
Don't say that now.
Sorry, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, I got that on camera.
You'll have to go around them because they're going to be.
Should I call 911?
No.
Holy crap. Woo.
You mother. That's what you get, you. That's what you get, you idiot. That's what you get, you idiot. You're a idiot. You almost caused me to crash. You're a idiot. Well, that wasn't very smart of you.
Okay?
I'm not the one that got hit.
No, I know you're not. Are you okay?
I'm okay. That wasn't very smart of you, was it?
Well,
What happened there?
it just happened, man.
It happens?
Look, I don't have an answer for you, bro. Okay?
Well,
You get answers out of me about stuff.
you,
I don't have an answer.
do you have any passengers?
No.
No passengers. So you shouldn't have even been in the.
Sorry?
So you shouldn't have even been in the HOV lane. Wow. Is that the person you hit?
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
You okay?
Wow, I'm lucky I did not crash. Oh, it's flat tires, and you're gonna need a tow because you have flat tires too.
I got the same thing. I don't have two flats. I got one flat.
I called my dad.
That's
All right. Well, we gotta get these towed out here.
Hey, listen. Fortunately, I didn't get hit, but I have it all recorded on camera because it happened right in front of me. I'm gonna go, but you want to take my information down? I have it all on camera.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, just take my info down.
Ross?
Russ with a U.
Russ. Thank you, Russ.
You're welcome. Just text me and if anything.
You didn't see the car that pushed me into your lane, did you?
The car that, well, no, but the camera caught everything, so we'll see what happens.
That's cool. But when I came by you, I got pushed into that lane, bro.
Well, you first.
Otherwise I would have hit him.
What I saw, you were behind me. You tried passing me, and there wasn't enough space for you, so you.
I got out of the lane.
Well,
I got pushed over.
you shouldn't have even been in the. You shouldn't have even been in the HOV lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
I'm just saying it's all on camera.
No, whatever you gotta say, dude.
She has my info. If you want to take my info down too.
You can do whatever you want.
No, I'm just saying she has my info. If you want my info, I have it all on camera. If you want to see the footage.
Perfect. Well, no, it's all good. I'm calling my insurance company, and it's all good.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Make sure you text me because you're gonna need that.
Pushed over.
Okay, I'll see what happens.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah, no, I gotta go though. So you guys take care of it. You got my information.
You got the information. I need it.
Huh?
That's great. You got the information because I'm gonna need it.
I just told you if you want my info, I'll give you my info.
You got it, right? Yeah, I'll get it.
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too.
races ought to really be about one thing and one thing only: best and the brightest. Yeah, and I look at Brandon Staley, I see him as one of the best and the brightest. I think the evidence supports it. And I think this is a really good hire by the Los Angeles Chargers. Also, New Orleans Saints tight end Coach Dan Campbell, he is set to become the next head coach of the Detroit Lions. This guy's coach, he's played it.
Oh, my boy's getting a ticket. Ooh.
Move the truck! You! Move the truck!
Yeah, no, hey man, we're just coming out to check to make sure you're okay. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. Like, with this truck, this Dodge, that's kind of that pink out there with the kind of the light on, I think there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's them with the Dodge. But no, we heard the noise. We were just coming out to make sure you're all right. The roads are pretty terrible. Yeah. Oh yeah, the ruts. Yeah. I hear ya.